Hi and welcome to a new FortiWeb video on validating HTTP headers to prevent potential injections. www.example.com is a website providing employees access to internal tools and resources. The application uses HTTP headers for session management, content rendering, and access control. However, it fails to properly validate or sanitize some of these headers, making it vulnerable to injection attacks. Attackers can exploit this vulnerability by tampering with specific HTTP headers to inject malicious payloads, which could lead to session hijacking, unauthorized access, or the execution of arbitrary code. In this video, we will cover two common injection attacks targeting HTTP headers host header injection and HTTP response splitting. FortiWeb's HTTP protocol constraints feature checks HTTP request elements, like parameters and headers, against rules. If a header has disallowed characters or values, it blocks or fixes the request. It also ensures the request follows HTTP standards and blocks any malformed requests before they reach the server. To configure the HTTP protocol constraints, navigate to Web Protection Protocol and HTTP. Within the HTTP protocol constraint, click Create New. In the HTTP header section, configure HTTP request settings by defining length limits and selecting actions, alert or deny. Choose Deny if you want to block traffic that violates protocol constraints from reaching your application, or alert to log violations without blocking them. Expand other protocol constraint settings as needed, including HTTP parameter, HTTP request, and additional options. In this case, enable specific options under HTTP request, such as missing content type and missing host, to enforce stricter protocol compliance and mitigate security risks by detecting and handling malformed or non-standard requests. Under Others, enable illegal content type and illegal host name to prevent unauthorized or improperly formatted traffic. To verify that the illegal HTTP headers are rejected, navigate to Log and Report, Log Access, Attack, and verify that the HTTP headers are rejected. Thank you for watching.